Are you intrigued by how machines can learn and make decisions? Welcome to the fascinating world of machine learning, or ML for short. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. It develops models and algorithms that enable computers to learn from data. Unlike traditional programming, ML teaches systems to think like humans. Machine learning can be divided into four main types. First, there's supervised learning. It trains models on labeled data, allowing predictions on unseen data. Next, we have unsupervised learning. This type finds patterns in unlabeled data, performing clustering or dimensionality reduction. Then comes reinforcement learning. It uses trial and error to maximize rewards, perfect for decision-making tasks. Lastly, we have semi-supervised learning. This involves models generating their own labels from data, reducing the need for human annotated labels. To create a machine learning model, we follow a structured pipeline. This begins with data cleaning to remove inaccuracies. Next, we apply feature scaling for uniformity in data ranges. Finally, we pre-process the data using Python for analysis. Let's delve into supervised learning. This category primarily focuses on classification and regression tasks. Classification predicts discrete labels. Regression predicts continuous numerical values. Common algorithms include linear regression, which uses a straight line for predictions, and logistic regression for yes/no answers. Other popular algorithms are decision trees, support vector machines, k-nearest neighbors, and naive Bayes. Then, we explore unsupervised learning, which encompasses clustering, association rule mining, and dimensionality reduction. Clustering algorithms like k-means divide data into groups based on similarities. Dimensionality reduction simplifies data without losing critical information, using techniques such as PCA and TSNE. For association rule mining, we find patterns among items, commonly used in market analysis with algorithms like a priori. Next, let's touch on reinforcement learning. It helps machines learn from their environment, improving through feedback and rewards. This includes model-based and model-free methods, each effective in distinct contexts. Semi-supervised learning combines labeled and unlabeled data. This is particularly useful when labeling is costly, enabling improved learning outcomes with fewer resources. Finally, the deployment of ML models is vital for real-world application. We can integrate these models into apps or services to access predictions. Using tools like Streamlit and Flask helps facilitate this process. MLOps enhances the deployment, monitoring, and maintenance of models effectively in production. In summary, machine learning is crucial for creating intelligent systems. We start by understanding the types of learning: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, and semi-supervised. Then we navigate through the processes of building, training, and deploying ML models. Ready to dive deeper into machine learning? Hit that subscribe button and explore our machine learning tutorial series for hands-on implementations and project ideas.